And what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bass at it, and I'm back with another video, man. Before I kick the video off, like I said last video, man, I pray that everybody out there staying safe. I pray that everybody out there taking all the necessary precautions y'all supposed to be taking, man. I don't want to speak on what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? I just pray that everybody doing what they supposed to do, man, cause this shit getting serious. But in this video, y'all, we gonna I actually was at my brother-in-law house last night and realized one of my low beam headlight went out, so I'm gonna replace that. And like I told y'all in the last video, I'm gonna give y'all kind of sort of a sound quality test in the truck or whatever, y'all. Let y'all see what it sound like at this current state. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know me. Y'all know I'm gonna try to take y'all along for the process, the build. That way, you know, y'all will be able to go back and look at the videos and see where it come from to the current state that I'm trying to build it up to, if that makes sense. So not gonna be a long video, you know what I'm saying? I may get a little time lapse of me replacing that headlight. In these trucks, I think you actually have to take the grill out just to get access to the headlight. You know what I'm saying? Nothing major. The low beam headlight right there in the top, so it shouldn't be that major at all, y'all. But we gonna get to it. I'm gonna give y'all a sound. What you say? What that call it? A sound test, a sound quality test, whatever it is. I'm gonna let y'all hear the current state of the truck now with just the door speaker and the tweeters that I got right there and right here. I'm gonna try to see if they make panels for back here that I can put, like, you know, a 6.5. You know, I'm just trying to see what I can do, y'all. But yeah, man, that's it. Let's get straight into it, man. This your boy Bass at it, baby. All right, guys. I ain't record me taking it off, but for anybody out there that don't know how to take the headlight out your truck, you have a bolt here, bolt there, and a bolt there. Try to get y'all some good shot. And you got a clip here, clip at the bottom, and clip right there, clip down there, y'all see it, and vice versa on this side right here in the front, one at the top and another one at the bottom. So you actually had to take the whole grill off to access the headlight, which I didn't know, but hey, we learn as we go. Ain't nothing tore up, everything cool. So what we doing now is, there we go. So as y'all can see, got the whole grill off it. Thing look like I'm about to get ready to swap the motor on it, boy. Good God Almighty. The difference a grill make, y'all. Grill on the ground. The headlight should already be loose, which it is. Got to see how I'm maneuver this out. I think it's a clip in there, y'all, but I'm gonna flip the camera on when we get that out. I'm gonna swap the headlight out. I ain't gonna show the process of switching headlight bulbs because that ain't nothing. So what I may do is just go and do what I got to do, put the grill back in, bolt everything back down, and yeah, then we're gonna go into letting y'all hear what it sound like so far. I'm gonna add some more tweeter to it, and for my two front door speakers, I'm gonna be ordering some more of those Skar 6.5 like I had in the Lincoln, cause those motherfuckers loud and you can't beat it for $20-something, y'all. You really can't. So I'm gonna be ordering some 6.5 for each one of these those. If y'all don't know, if y'all haven't guessed, I got the Skar 6.5s in the back. So I'm gonna put some in the front as well, and I see what I can do about going adding the amp, a 4-channel amp to it. That way I can run my door speakers on the amp and all the other stuff. But right now, everything running off the head unit. So let me get this in, y'all, and I'm gonna flip the camera back on when I'm done. Let me knock this out real quick. right, y'all, we finished with that. I don't know if y'all can see everything back together. Turn the lights on. Let y'all see that it is working now. But it should be. You know what I'm saying? That one was out, y'all, the top one. Yeah. My bad, I dropped my phone, but eventually I am gonna get some LEDs, y'all. Like I had in the link in the 6K, the white one, the bright white one. So that's on the way, that's coming, y'all. But that'll conclude that part of the video. You know what I'm saying? If y'all rocking with me this far, I want to say I appreciate y'all 1,000%. And y'all tell somebody about the channel, y'all, so we continue to go and grow. You know what I'm saying? All motivation is good motivation, y'all. Appreciate y'all 1,000%. If you here just watching the video and you haven't subscribed, y'all, please, it don't cost nothing. It don't take nothing to hit that subscription button. You know what I'm saying? Because you never know what I'm going to upload next, man. Because I have a lot going on. And when I get to the country, it may be a double upload day, because if y'all don't remember the rigger that I had in my other video when I was test fitting my second battery, that video, the rigger in that video that I showed y'all, he actually got it running. And when I say it's chopping, man, I forgot what side cam he got in it, y'all, but it's chopping. And if he be all work, we're gonna go down there and get some footage of that too. So it could be a double upload day, or it could, I may drop that video tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned, man, cause I got a lot of stuff in store, y'all. Y'all see Ghost, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see Ghost, and yeah. So let's get to the other part of the video, y'all. Let's get it.
She done started some shit. Ain't got time for ups and downs and that arguing shit. They level markets at the life for that robbery shit. Tryna live a better life, actually costing his shit. Took her from his wife, took her from his family. Dear mom, I'm sorry, I finally understand. All I can do is right now, I'm really lost. All I wanted was for you to be with me, love. But you done started some shit, I'm offended, love. But you done started some shit, so I'm offended, love. She got her tears from her ex, she said that she getting colder. Baby, it's all the weight on my shoulders. Baby, it's all the weight on my shoulder. You know pain turn birds, you gotta move.